BioClear bondings is a great way that has been developed with special matrices that helps a dentist accomplish a very good way to close gaps or to close what's called black triangles. When patients sometimes get bone loss, their gum will recede and they will develop black triangles. They are unsightly and many patients are bothered by their black triangles or the gaps between their teeth. But it is sometimes a challenge for the dentist to be able to create a natural emergence out of the gum line that won't cause a shelf that later will cause a cavity for the patient. The BioClear company has come out with a wonderful way to do that in a way that it's conservative, and many patients can benefit from this cosmetic improvement of closing their gaps and eliminating or reducing the unsightly black triangles.